That's no sleeper right there.
Well, if I put the front bumper on, you can't see any of that.
Oh no, really?
No, it looks completely, it looks like a Stance Genesis.
Oh, awesome.
It looks all stock.
But even with the intercooler exposed, you wouldn't think it's a 2J, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Holy
But
shit.
I tell you what, when the intercooler's exposed, it makes people curious. People are like, oh, what,
Oh, yeah.
what do you got that for?
Oh my god, it sounds so good. Holy shit. Holy shit.
No freaking way. 1,000 views or haters gonna hate, bro. It's all good though. Positivity is key. You guys are freaking amazing. I just wanted to say thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video actually. And staying till the end, which is awesome, you guys. I just wanted to say thank you very, very much for 500 subs. It might not look like a lot right now. I'll make this channel into something that I always wanted to, and I just want to say thank you guys for helping me get to this. I just started uploading videos and I started gaining people like you guys that actually understand and like the video. I just want to say thank you for 500 plus subs. Let's get it to 1K soon. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have been giving me for this channel, and there's gonna be more high quality content coming, you guys. This is why I love doing these types of videos, and not only this, not only that, but it's fun, and I like how you guys enjoy the videos. So more videos to come, especially tomorrow on Blue. So stay tuned, you guys. Thank you very much for 500 plus subs, guys. Deuces.